Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant not opening. First, open the Riot Client. Right-click it and select Open File Location. Do the same again if needed until you reach the main installation folder. Now go to the Riot Games folder, then open Valorant, and then Live. Here you should find the Valorant executable file. If you don't see the file extensions, go to the View option and enable File Name Extensions. Next, right-click the Valorant.exe file and choose Show More Options, Properties, Compatibility. Enable the following settings. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Disable full screen optimizations. Check Run this program as administrator. Click Apply and OK. After that, click on an empty space in the folder, copy the full path, and open Graphics Settings in Windows. Click Browse, then add the Valorant executable using the copied path. Once added, set it to High Performance GPU. Also, make sure Hardware Accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on in Advanced Graphics Settings. Now open Services in Windows. Scroll down until you find VGC. Right-click it, go to Properties, and set Startup Type to Automatic. If the service is not running, click Start, then Apply and press OK. Finally, launch the game again. Your issue should be fixed. That's it. If this helped you, make sure to like the video.